Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion aesthetic on your iPad. First, select a consistent color palette to ensure a cohesive and visually pleasing workspace. Next, personalize your pages by utilizing custom icons and cover images that reflect your style. Finally, organize your content effectively with clear headings and dividers, making navigation intuitive and clean. These initial steps are crucial for building a beautiful and functional Notion setup right from the start, enhancing your productivity and enjoyment. To elevate your Notion's visual appeal, consider embedding dynamic widgets like a weather forecast or a calendar directly onto your pages. For databases, switch to a gallery view to beautifully showcase images and visual content, making your information much more engaging. Don't shy away from incorporating high-quality GIF and images. They add a touch of personality and break up text, creating a more inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment for your daily tasks and projects. Optimizing your layout is key for both aesthetics and functionality. Create columns, perhaps 2 or 3, to efficiently use screen space and improve readability, especially on your iPad. Employ toggle lists and callout blocks to present information cleanly and concisely, reducing visual clutter. Furthermore, implement linked databases to seamlessly connect related information across different pages, ensuring a streamlined and organized workflow that looks fantastic. For truly unique aesthetics, explore third-party integrations that offer specialized design elements and functionalities not native to Notion. Experiment with custom fonts by embedding them into your pages, allowing for a distinct typographic style that sets your workspace apart. Remember to regularly review and refine your layout and design choices. This ongoing process ensures your Notion remains fresh, appealing, and perfectly tailored to your evolving needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.